Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our events on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Ganipo.
Awosithiwo ne?
Yeah.
Namhlanje ngicela ukubonga onke amafans eKaizer Chiefs nonke umuntu.
Sharp.
Namhlanje ichipa indlela yamlandi ifunile win.
Yes.
Lo manje dlulisa message kuyilaba ngazi balolando bani Amstel beer.
Yeah.
Awofana bami. Number 2 Williki thina Kaizer Chiefs fan. Awosithiwo.
Yeah.
Number 2 the one under Perez so sit.
Yes.
Big participant.
Yeah.
Petro Premiership.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Kaizer
DJs.
Thibo.
Yeah.
Thina Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Sharp.
Sidlule engizimeni kakhulu.
Okunzima.
Thibo sishawa Thibo. Khulula meme yabona abantu balo Orlando Pirates next season.
Yeah.
MTN 8.
Yeah.
Akasi ukudlala.
Yeah.
MTN 8 one league Thibo.
Sure.
1 Sundowns.
Yes.
2 Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
3 Skokune.
3 Skokune.
4 Orlando Pirates.
Yeah. Yophela kanjani? Yophela kanjani?
Abona Thibo Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Abona abantu.
Abayindawo.
Abayile. Toilet Amstel Arena.
Itoilet.
Abantu basabi labantu.
Akusi arena leya.
Itoilet sibasabi laba Thibo ngiyabonga.
Thank you mntana.
Yaphinda futhi number 1 Thibo. Mamelodi Sundowns. Number 2 Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Number 3 Skokune. Number 4 Orlando Pirates.
Baba. Yophela kanjani?
Sasisi Pirates.
Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.